Hi, welcome to the Rugged Rundown. And today what I'm going to talk about is some of the best rugged laptops for 2024. Going into the new year, let's talk about what is in stock and ready to go for you guys. I got the FZ-40 made by Panasonic. Take a look here. Nice laptop. Now what I like about it, it has the X-Pack upgrade slots. So user-friendly upgrades with this model. The other model that Panasonic came out with, a couple of years ago was the CF-33. This is cool because you can pop the screen right off and now you have a tablet. So I like this one because of that feature. This is Panasonic's hybrid laptop. Then we got this just came out in 2023, the FZ-40 Panasonic Toughbooks answer to replacing the tried and true CF-31. Nice thing about this laptop, again, it also comes with X-Pack upgrade slots. So as a user, you can upgrade to different ports and everything else easily, just both a plug and play card. Fantastic upgradability. And then something off the beaten path that you probably don't see much on, since Panasonic Toughbook discontinued their CF-19, Getac still makes the V110. What is the V110? Nice thing about the V110, the screen spins right around, and now you've got a convertible laptop that turns into a tablet. I love this laptop. It's a nice replacement for the CF-19 if you guys ever use those. One nice thing is the screen's a little bigger, so you got the HD screen, and the keyboard has normal size keys so you can actually type on it. These four laptops, I would say, going into 2024 are the ones to seriously consider. Well, that's all I got for you today. Hope you enjoyed this quick video on some of the laptops to look at this year, and I'll see you guys next week.